Now I start to tell areas of different triangles. That is how to find out area of any triangle. Here they have given a triangle. In this, the base length is 1 unit and the perpendicular height is also 1 unit. You need to find out what's the area of this triangle. You can do it out. Area of the triangle can be found out as half times of base times of perpendicular height. So it's going to become half times of this is the base, which is 1 unit times of this is the perpendicular height, that is also 1 units. Now this going to become 1 times of 1 times of 1, 1 remains above, 2 below, half square units. Let's take one more triangle. In this triangle, they have given the base as 2 units, but the perpendicular height as same 1 unit. Now you need to find out what's the area of the triangle. You can find out the area of triangle as half times of base times of perpendicular height. So it's going to become half times of this is the base, which is 2 units, times of this is the perpendicular height, which is 1 unit. Now you can divide denominator and numerator. 2 1 times 2 1 times 1 times of 1 is 1, again 1 times of 1 1, so 1 square units. Let's take one more triangle, and in this triangle you're going to get like this. That is here in this triangle you're going to get the base length as 5 units and the perpendicular height as 1 units. Now you need to find out what's the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle going to become half times of base times of perpendicular height. Then you're going to get here this thing, that is half times of this is the base, which is 5 units, times of this is the perpendicular height, which is going to become 1 unit. Now you cannot divide denominator and numerator, so 5 times of 1 becomes 5, and here denominator 2, 5 by 2 square units is the area of this triangle. Let's take one more triangle. Now you're going to get this triangle, and in this triangle you're going to get like this. That is here the base length is 7 units, but the perpendicular height is 1 unit. Here also you need to find out what's the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle even here becomes half times of base times of perpendicular height. That give rise to half times of this is the base, which becomes 7 units, times of this is the perpendicular height, which becomes 1 unit. Now you cannot divide denominator and numerator, so it remains as about numerator 7, 7 times of 1 7, and 7 by 2 square units. Now let's take one more triangle, and in this triangle they have given like this. That is the base length as 10 units and the perpendicular height as 1 unit. Here you need to find out what's the area of the triangle. Even here you're going to get area of the triangle as half times of this one, base times of perpendicular height. Now you're going to get it as half times of this is the base, which is 10 units, times of this is the perpendicular height, which is 1 unit. You can divide denominator and numerator. 2 1 times 2 5 times 10, 5 times 1, which becomes 5 square units. Let's take more and more examples like that. Afterwards, now I'm going to tell how to find out LCM of any numbers. Here I'm going to tell finding out LCM of numbers, that is 10, 20 and 40. If you're going to find LCM of them 10, 20 and 40, now let's start by dividing with 2. You're going to get here 2 times of 5 is 10, and 2 times of 1 and 2 times of 0. 2 times of 2 is 4, with 0 comes with it. And now again you can divide anything by 2, so 5 remains. 2 times of 5 is 10, 2 times of 10 is again 20. Again you can divide it by 2. 2 times of here also 5, here also 5, here 5 is 10. Now let's divide by 5. 5 times of 1, 1, 1, all of them. Now let's find out LCM of them. LCM of it is equal to multiply all of those numbers 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 5. 2 times of 2 is 4, 4 times of 2 8, 8 times of 5 becomes 40. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving numbers 2, 5 and 7. Now you can do the same LCM here. First let's take 2. 2 you can divide this one, 2 1 times 2, 5 and 7 remains. Now this one you can start by dividing with 5. Here you going to get 1 remains, 5 1 times 5 and 7 remains like that. Again take 7, 1 1 remains, 7 1 times is 7. So you're going to get here that is LCM equal to 2 times of 5 times of 7. 2 times of 5 is 10, 10 times of 7 70. So it is completely equal to 70. Let's take three more numbers. Here you can take numbers 3, 6 and 10. After taking 3, 6 and 10, you're going to get here that is let's start by taking 2. Here 3 remains like that. 2 can divide 2 3 times 6, 2 5 times 10. Again you can divide here. You cannot divide by 2 so take 3. 3 1 times 3, 3 1 times again 3, 5 remains. Now you can start taking 5. 1 remains here also 1 remains. 5 1 times 5. So LCM going to be equal to 2 times of 3 times of 5. 2 times of 3 6, 6 times of 5 30. So it becomes equal to 30. I start to tell more in next videos. Now bye.